In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram Reels black screen problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. So close this, launch your settings app. Now navigate to the option General. Head over to the option iPhone Storage. Find Instagram and launch it. Click on Upload app. Confirm it. Wait for a few seconds and then click on Reinstall app. For the Android device, press and hold on the app Instagram. Click on App Info. Select the option Storage. Click on Clear Cache and confirm it. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is launch your Instagram app. Navigate to Settings and Activity page. Scroll down. Here you're going to find the option of Media Quality. Launch it. Inside this, you're going to find the option of Use Less Cellular Data. Toggle off for this option, because this setting can sometimes prevent Reels from loading correctly and cause black screen issues. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you have network issues, your Reels might not load. If these solutions didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. Lastly, you can check the server status of the Instagram. So launch your preferred browser, type in Instagram server status and search for it. Navigate to the website down detector. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.